Hello, everyone. Welcome to another English lesson with me. Today we are going to learn about the question word why. Why is a word that we use to ask or answer questions about the reason or purpose of something. For example, if you want to know the cause of something, you can ask why did you do that? Or why is the sky blue? The person can answer with a clause that starts with because. Like I did that because I was bored. Or the sky is blue because of the way sunlight interacts with the atmosphere. We can also use why to ask or answer questions about the intention or goal of something. For example, if you want to know the motive of someone, you can ask why are you here, or why do you want to learn English? The person can answer with a clause that starts with to or for. Like I am here to see you or I want to learn English for my job. We can also use why to ask or answer questions about the alternative or preference of something. For example, if you want to know the choice of someone, you can ask why not, or why this and not that. The person can answer with a clause that starts with because. Like why not, because it's fun, or why this and not that, because this is cheaper and better. There are many other ways to use why in questions and answers. But these are some of the basic ones. Remember, we use why when we want to talk about the reason, purpose, or choice of something. Now, let's practice with some examples. I will ask you a question with why, and you try to answer it. Ready? Let's go! Why do you watch this video? Why do birds sing? Why do you like chocolate? Why don't you try something new? How did you do? I hope you enjoyed this lesson and learned something new. If you want to learn more about English grammar and vocabulary, follow me on Instagram and check out my other videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.